yeah, like I said, I wanted to show y'all the carpet. I've had this carpet for months now, like way before I even dropped the car off to the fabrication shop the first time to get done. That's the main focus, is trying to not let this carpet get ruined. Paid $300 for it. I don't want to pay $300 more to get more carpet, so I do not want to ruin this carpet at all. Like I said, padding on the back, and I ordered mine from Amazon, and it took, if I remember correctly, it wasn't even a full week. And y'all know, like I told you, I got to cut out the hose for the, here's the transmission tunnel part. So for my gear shift, I'm gonna have to cut out the hole. Same thing with the seat bracket. So this is the driver's side, and it's probably gonna end about here. I'm gonna have to make my hose, and we'll line all that up once we get the carpet ready to go inside the car. So,
bingo, I got action.
what's up guys, it's your boy Deuce back with another video. Now, as y'all know, my Cutlass needed new carpet, you know what I'm saying? So this video is gonna be about showing y'all the carpet that I went and picked out for the Cutlass. Now I know I'm still gonna have to cut out like the bracket holes for the seat, and I think that might be it. The center console, I gotta pull it up, then lay the carpet down, and lay the center console back down. So I don't think I'm gonna have to cut besides the gear shift, you know what I'm saying, the floor gear shift. So I think that's gonna be the only other thing I'm gonna have to cut to make the hole for that. And like I said, the seat bracket, so the bolts where the seat go on, I'm gonna have to cut them little spots out as well. But after the car go to the fabrication shop and get fabricated, it's gonna be a little minute before I put that carpet in there. For one, I don't want the carpet to get dirty while I'm still working on the car, doing stuff to the interior. And for two, I need to get some sound deadening. So I'm gonna order some sound deadening so it'll be a little bit quieter, you know what I'm saying, on the inside of the car. So I won't hear like the motor if it's rattling or anything, or the exhaust if it's super loud after we get it done, or even like the speakers and stuff, you know what I'm saying. I'm gonna put some sound deadening on the floors, maybe even on the doors as well. And I might do it on the rear part of the roof. I might even put some up there too. I don't know yet. I gotta see how long this roll is that I'm finna order. And I'm ordering on Amazon, you know what I'm saying, and it's like $25 I think for the roll. I forgot how long the roll is, but it's a big roll, you know what I'm saying. It ain't a small roll of sound deadening. So we're not gonna be laying the carpet down for a little minute after the car get fabricated. But yeah, like I said, I wanted to show y'all the carpet. I've had this carpet for months now, like way before I even dropped the car off to the fabrication shop the first time to get done, when it wasn't getting done, you know what I'm saying. I ordered the carpet like a few months before then. So I had that carpet for at least 8 months, because the car was gone for 6 months. And I say at least 2 months before that I had ordered the carpet, because like I said, I didn't know I needed the front floor pans. Didn't know I needed the front floor pans done. So yeah, I thought I was just gonna have to get the rears welded in and then I could lay the carpet down. But yeah, after we seen that, I'm not laying the carpet down, like I said, for a little minute, because I want to lay sound deadening down. So that's gonna be one reason why we getting stopped on putting the carpet in. But like I said, I want to show y'all the carpet before anything, you know what I'm saying, so y'all get an idea of the carpet that I got. And look at the color I got. I think the color look perfect and matches perfect. It's gonna go perfect with the interior. And yeah, I just want to show y'all what it look like, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I ordered this carpet from Amazon. I forgot how much I paid. I think I paid close to $300 for this carpet. I think it was like $289 plus tax, free shipping. So yeah, like I said, I'm gonna show it to y'all. We're gonna get out. It's in the back seat right now, so I gotta pull it out. But make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all, that way y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, share this video. Let's keep growing and elevating together. And yeah, y'all leave y'all opinions in the comments after y'all see the carpet. Let me know what y'all think about it. Share the channel, share this video. And yeah, once I get the carpet out, I'm gonna turn y'all back on, show y'all the carpet and everything, what it look like. So like I said, after y'all see it, y'all let me know what y'all think in the comment section down below, and I will catch y'all once I get out of the car. All right, y'all, so I got the box out now. It wasn't too hard, you know what I'm saying. It's just a big box. All I had to do is pull it. But once I lay this carpet down, I'm gonna definitely lay some plastic, you know what I'm saying, and I'm gonna lay that on the floor so this carpet do not get dirty quick or easily, you know what I'm saying. Because yeah, y'all gonna see this carpet is blue, and it's, like I said, it's gonna be so easy for it to get dirty, and that's something I'm not ready for. I don't want to happen or none of that, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna sit y'all right here real quick while I pull this carpet out. And like I said, I done had this carpet for a few months, so it's literally just been sitting in this box. And this is actually my first time fully pulling it out of the box, you know what I'm saying? I ain't never pulled it out of the box to actually look at it. But yeah, because I guess I just put my trust in people so easily, or in manufacturing companies. So this is the paperwork that came with it, just basically telling you thank you for your purchase. Go ahead and pull out this good old roll of carpet. Now, a little backstory on ordering this carpet. The first carpet that I ordered, because I wasn't doing this blue at first. The whole reason I'm doing this blue is because of this carpet. So I had ordered a different color carpet, and it wasn't the right color, you know what I'm saying? It was the wrong color that I had got sent. I was supposed to have been getting like a sky blue, because I was going to go back with sky blue, but I was going to change that yellow to either white or black regardless. So I was trying to do a sky blue, but they didn't have the right sky blue in the carpet. So I ended up just getting this blue carpet that I have now, which I'm finna show y'all in a second. And yeah, after I got this carpet, I just changed my whole plan. I decided to do a Kentucky slash or Duke Blue Devils blue, you know what I'm saying? Actual blue, instead of doing a light blue or a darker blue. So like I said, the whole color scheme of that car, of my Cutlass, was based solely on getting this carpet, you know what I'm saying? I couldn't find the right color blue carpet, and my dad was telling me I could just dye a carpet, and I was just like, why am I spending $300 on a carpet if I'm gonna have to still dye it, and that's putting more money into it? So yeah, I decided not to do that. And then when this blue came in, like I said, I opened the box, but I didn't pull this out. I seen just a small little piece of it, just like that, and I was like, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and change the whole color of the car of what I'm trying to do. And I really like this blue. Like I said, this blue is beautiful. I love this color blue. But this is the carpet, bro. Look at this blue. This is it, almost in one frame. But yeah, this is the carpet. Come with this little padding on the back. But like I said, I want to get sound deadening. I'm gonna put sound deadening on the floor of the car. Then we'll lay this carpet down and then go from there. This carpet needs to be vacuumed, but I'm not gonna do none of that until we get this carpet actually in the car. I'm gonna have to I need to really let it sit out in the sun so it'll get some of these creases out. But y'all can't tell, the sun is not out right now, so yeah, I'm not worried about it right now anyways. Like I told you, I'm not putting this in the car yet. So once we get ready to do all that, then we'll focus on getting all these wrinkles out. Maybe do like a steam gun or something, or a steamer or something, you know what I'm saying? So like I said, y'all let me know what y'all think about the carpet. I love this color, bro. I'm telling you, I love this color. And like I told y'all, when this came in, this was the whole reason for me changing the whole color scheme of that car. So we got blue carpet instead of doing, I could have done black. I didn't think about it, but I wanted this. I like, like I said, once this blue, I like the color carpets, you know? A lot of cars got black or tan carpet from the factory. I didn't want this coming from the factory, you know what I'm saying? I don't want that car looking like it's coming back from the factory. We fully customizing the interior, so why not go all out with the carpet as well, you know? And y'all know, like I told you, I got to cut out the holes for the, here's the transmission tunnel part. So for my gear shift, I'm gonna have to cut out the hole. Same thing with the seat bracket. So this is the driver's side, and it's probably gonna end about here. I'm gonna have to make my holes, and we'll line all that up once we get the carpet ready to go inside the car. So I'm not gonna put no holes in this carpet right now because I don't need to. And another good thing about the Cutlass, it's a two-door, so I only got to make the holes literally for the gear shift and the front seat brackets. I don't have to do it for the rear seats. Well, you usually don't have to do it for rear seats anyways, because you know rear seats sit on, well, some cars, or no, just about every car, you know. Yeah, so usually you only have to make the brackets for the seats anyways. I mean the front seats. And I was thinking about getting this same carpet for my box Chevy, but I feel like there'd be too many different blues, you know. It ain't all the same blue. Now with my Cutlass, my headliner is a little bit brighter blue than the one I have in my box Chevy, so it'll match up pretty good with this. Same with the paint, you know, the painted panels. which I can get real quick. So I'm gonna sit y'all right here. Y'all just stare at the carpet real quick while I get one of them panels I've painted. 1 second. All right, y'all, I am back. So I just wanted to go and grab a panel real quick that I've painted. So this is the new armrest we will be putting on our door panels, and sit it here. See, matches up really good, bro. In person, this looks a little darker, and this blue look a little brighter, but on camera it matches up perfectly. So yeah, y'all get the idea now. So blue carpet, blue armrest, blue lower half door panel. So it's basically like the lower half of the car is blue. Can't even say the lower end. No, I can't say the upper half is gonna be black. It's just the door panel part is gonna be black. The rest of the upper half and the rear is blue. So I don't know, I feel like I'm doing a whole lot of blue, but that black on the door panel, the upper half door panel, and the black on the seats, because the seats gonna be mainly black with a little bit of blue in it. So I'm feeling like I'm doing a pretty good contrast. It's a lot of blue, but you feel me, everything gonna work out. Y'all just gotta see the vision like I see it, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, like I said, this is my first time actually seeing the carpet out of the box. And yeah, this the part that go up on the seat, the back seat, rear seat. So that part go up, and then y'all see it curves. So yeah, this whole half will go up on the seat. Yeah, man, I'm excited, man. I'm super excited. I can put that door panel up now, I don't need it. But yeah, man, y'all remember the paint job we did on this one? Like it's trying to come up, but you ain't gonna see this part anyway. This part gonna be against the door. The main part, y'all see this armrest ain't lifting up or anything, dry rotted, just a little bit there. But yeah, man, y'all see the texture of it still. So I painted that one really good, and it's getting dusty because it's just sitting, but it's gonna be sitting for a little while longer, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, like I said, give me y'all opinions on the carpet. Let me know what y'all think about it. I like it. It's a really good blue. It's a little loud, you know what I'm saying, but it's gonna look really good in the car. And I love how this part is blue as well. And like I said, I'm gonna have to get some plastic and lay, even though ain't nobody really gonna be riding in the car but myself, I still want to get some plastic to cover it up, so I won't just step on this carpet with my shoes or anything, you know what I'm saying, tracking any dirt in this car, on this carpet, and ruining it, you know. And I do want to get them, y'all know them floor mats. Them floor mats people be having in their box Chevys and they Oldsmobiles and their Monte Carlos. It got the actual logo on the floor mat of the car. I want to get those, but like I said, I don't want to have nothing pressing on this carpet. And you feel me, this carpet is still pretty fluffy right now. Look at that. And I don't want them little thorns on the back of the floor mats to push into them and leave an indentation if I ever want to take them up one day. So like I said, we're gonna just throw plastic on here and lay the plastic down. That way the carpet don't get ruined. That's the main focus, is trying to not to let this carpet get ruined. Paid $300 for it. I don't want to pay $300 more to get more carpet. So I do not want to ruin this carpet at all. Like I said, padding on the back. And I ordered mine from Amazon, and it took, if I remember correctly, it wasn't even a full week. Like a couple days, 3, 4, maybe 5 days. So probably about a business week. But yeah, it came in fairly quick, and it looks really good. So like I said, this carpet was the whole reason for me changing from sky blue, a bright blue, to this darker blue on here. You know what I'm saying? And in my opinion, it looks really good. I like this color. So y'all let me know what y'all think. Y'all give me y'all opinions in the comments. It's gonna be it with the painting, the carpet with the paint, and then we just gotta get the seats done. So like I said, in person this blue do look a little off compared to this, but on camera it looks matched up pretty well. But like I said, y'all give me y'all opinions. I'm finna roll this back up, put it back in the box, and I will catch y'all in a second for the outro. Give me y'all opinions in the comments of the carpet. Alright y'all, so that's gonna be the end of this one, man. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Hope y'all liked the carpet. Like I said, y'all leave me y'all opinions in the comment section down below. That way I know how y'all feel about the carpet. You know what I'm saying? Me personally, I love the carpet. I love the way it's looking. I love the color of it. I don't have to dye it. I don't have to change nothing on it. You know what I'm saying? All I gotta do is cut out the holes for the brackets, for the seats, cut out the gear shift hole, throw it in the car. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I'm gonna lay some lost my train of thought. It don't make no sense, man. But yeah, man, I'm gonna lay some plastic over the carpet, you know what I'm saying, and try to protect it as long as I can, you feel me? So I don't have to waste another $300 on buying the same carpet again. So like I said, give me y'all opinions on it. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it. Me personally, I love that carpet. I love the way it's looking. Like I said, y'all know, I done told y'all now, that carpet is the whole reason I changed my color scheme on that car. You feel me? Well, not even a full color scheme, because I was always doing white or black. It's just I changed it from a brighter blue to that blue. You know what I'm saying? The normal blue. So yeah, man, like I told you, I love that carpet. I love the way it looked, and I'm glad I got it. You feel me? I'm glad I got it at the time I did. You know what I'm saying? So the price ain't changed on them. I'm pretty sure they're still the same price. Like I said, I think I paid $289 plus tax, so close to $300 for that carpet. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, it didn't take too long to come in, and I got it from Amazon. So my only thing is be cautious of the color you're trying to get. You know what I'm saying? Because I thought I was getting the first time I ordered that carpet, I thought I was getting a sky blue, but it wasn't a sky blue. It was like some weird blue. You know what I'm saying? It wasn't the right color I was going for. So I had to send that one back, and then I got that blue. And yeah, so just be cautious of the color you're trying to get, the color you're looking at, so you don't have to do what I do, send it back and then pick another color. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video though. I like the carpet. I like the way it's looking. Y'all stay tuned today, because if y'all look here, I have the stock OEM door panels. We will be making the holes on my speaker door panels for, this is a driver one, the lock and the mirror piece. So y'all stay tuned. I bought me a really small Dremel. It was like $15, $10. So I'm gonna try and use that, because I don't want to use a Sawzall and then cut too much. You know what I'm saying? I want the cut to be perfect and line up perfect. So like I said, y'all stay tuned for that video, which should be coming soon. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be recording it today, so it's gonna be coming soon for y'all. But other than that, man, it's gonna be the end of this one. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Hope y'all liked the carpet. Leave me y'all opinions in the comment section. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell on, that way y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel and share this video. Let's keep growing and elevating together. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Keep God first and God bless, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Peace.